The Gamtimer Gaming Desk GT-1000 features a spacious 63-inch carbon fiber surface that can comfortably accommodate large monitors and gaming setups. Its carbon fiber tabletop is not only scratch-resistant and waterproof, but also offers a smooth texture that enhances mouse accuracy and keyboard response, making it ideal for professional gamers. This desk comes with vibrant RGB lighting that includes 64 colors and 384 color modes, which can be easily controlled with the provided remote for a customizable gaming ambiance. The Z-shaped steel structure of the desk ensures maximum stability and can support up to 200 pounds, making it a sturdy option for any gamer. Assembly is straightforward with simplified steps, clear instructions, and included tools, allowing users to set it up quickly and effortlessly. Additional features include a specially customized oversized mouse pad, a headphone hook, and a cup holder, along with round-the-clock after-sales service and a long-term warranty.